Tucked away in Colfax, Wisconsin, lives a former master gardener and current cytotechnologist, Cortney Dean. The cell analyst with an incredible green thumb has spent the last few years turning her yard into an expansive garden.
I do have a large garden at home that my husband and I tend to. It's about an acre in size right now. We've got some other areas that we've planted that I don't know that you'd call a garden, but we're trying to turn them back into a forest, and that would probably bring the size of about to 2 acres.
Although gardening is Courtney's passion, her husband Richard always lends a hand.
I think generally my role is like the Sherpa. I'm sort of the the hard labor, the heavy lifting type person. Courtney does ask me my opinions. They're not very well informed, and she'll say, "Do you like this flower shape or flower color?" But not necessarily whether what genus and species of plant I prefer. That never happens.
Though the gardens aren't fully grown yet, this year's crop was bountiful.
I think I did the math, and I think there's about 47 weeks worth of squash eating here, which will get us well into next growing season. So it feels pretty rewarding to be able to grow all this food and know that we'll be able to eat it all winter.
With plans for expansion, Courtney goes into the winter season with a plethora of squash and a growing excitement for next spring.